It's only practice for you. Good. First mock interview for you. Kirtika,
Yes,
you are
sir.
attending for clerical or officers?
Clerical, sir.
Very good. Now, please tell me about yourself, Kirtika.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I am Kirtika. I am from Theni, Tamil Nadu. I have done my graduate BSc Mathematics at Nadu College of Arts and Science in Theni. In my family consists of 3 members. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, and myself, sir.
My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. How many
Yes,
siblings you have?
of my family.
Hello.
I am a single child of my family, sir.
Oh, single child. Acha, acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
Good. Is it good to be a single child or bad to be a single child?
No, sir. Good and bad. Most of the time, bad, sir.
Most of the time bad, because everything they will look at you, only ask you
Yes.
whether you did that one, this one, that one, like that. Is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, which year did you complete your BSc Mathematics?
In 2020, sir.
2020. Good. After that, which government exams have you cleared?
I'm cleared RRB clerk, sir. Prelims only, sir. I returned mains exam, sir.
Very good. Then I know it is very tough. RRB number of vacancies are very less.
Yes, in our Tamil Nadu only, sir.
Tamil Nadu vacancies are very less.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the reason. Whereas this one is a good job, provided you can talk well in English.
Okay, sir.
Which bank are you having account?
I am having a SBI account, sir. State Bank of India.
State Bank of India. Acha, acha, acha. Oh. Who is the chairman of State Bank of India?
Chairman of State Bank of India is Dinesh Kumar Kara, sir.
Good. Now, what is the account number? And you don't tell me the account number. How many digits are there in your State Bank account number?
In 11 digits, sir. No, sir. 12. I don't know.
எனக்குமே தெரியாது. எனக்கும் அக்கவுண்ட் இருக்குது, பட் எத்தனை டிஜிட் ஞாபகம் இல்லை.
9 digit. 9 digits.
இல்ல 9 டிஜிட் வந்து இந்தியன் வங்கியில, இங்க வந்து 13 டிஜிட் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இது பார்க்கலாமா? சர்ச் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். Anybody else having State Bank account? Anybody else having State Bank account? SBI account number?
Yes, sir, I am having.
Tell me, how many digits?
11 digits only, sir.
Oh, 11. 11 digits. Correct. Good.
Okay, sir.
Usually a bank in India consists of 11 to 16 digit. Public sector banks as SBI follow 11 digit pattern for their account number, starting from 2. It has 17 digits in the case of online SBI portal, which starts with 6 zeros, making it the longest in the banking industry. Good. So, do you have mobile banking? What is your name? Kirtika.
Yes, sir. I have mobile banking app, Yono app, sir. And
Is it?
also.
Yeah,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me. Is it working correctly? Any problem for you in that?
No, sir. No, sir. Working properly, sir.
It is working properly. Very good.
Yes, sir.
For me, it is always problem, State Bank, because I am not having current, what is that?
PhonePe.
No. I am using PhonePe and all. Current, this debit card is not with me because it is expired. That is the reason.
Okay, sir.
No problem. So, have you visited State Bank branches?
No, sir. In 2020, after I didn't visit in our State Bank of India.
Why? There is no need, because everything you can do it through online only.
Through online. Yes, sir.
There
Yes,
is
sir.
no need for visiting that. Your
No.
father is having account with which bank?
My father also, no, sir, Syndicate Bank, sir, in my father account.
Syndicate Bank, which branch?
I think Bodinaknur branch, sir.
What is is Syndicate Bank there now?
Sir,
Is Syndicate Bank there now?
yes, sir.
No. Syndicate Bank is now named as Canara Bank.
Canara Bank. Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Merged
Syndicate
into
Bank.
Canara Bank.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
sorry. Syndicate Bank has been merged into Canara
Canara
Bank.
Bank. Yes,
So
sir, sir.
your father is growing which grains? Crops, which crops?
Peanuts, sir.
Oh, how long it takes for peanut to grow?
I think 45 days. But
I think னு சொன்னியானா 10க்கு 4 மார்க் கிடைக்கும்.
sir, I don't know, sir.
45 daysனு சொன்னியானா 8 மார்க் கிடைக்கும். எனக்கு எது கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்?
40,
வேற யாருக்கான்னு தெரியும்?
45.
Anybody else knows how long it takes for peanut to grow? Anybody else? Any agriculture candidate? Nobody? Oh. For-
Yes, sir. But I think it's from 150 days average.
No. You are totally wrong. Peanut growing period. Yeah, that is totally wrong. 150 it will not take. I am of the view 4 to அப்படியா? From planting to harvesting, the growing cycle of a peanut takes 4 to 5 months. நீ என்னமா சொன்ன? What did you say? 150.
150 days,
Yes.
sir.
Super. Correct. That girl who told 150 days is selected. What is your name? That girl?
Yes, sir. Harita. I did agriculture only.
Acha, Haritha. Correct. Oh, you are that lecturer, madam?
No.
Not that lecturer, madam. Acha. ठीक है.
No.
So then you must be knowing it. But why? See, this Haritha in Canada, USA and all, whenever we buy coconuts, they are all so big. ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கும். Whereas in India, we get them small ones, very tasty ones. I don't know why
Yes,
it is happening like this. So your father is growing small peanuts or big peanuts? Kirtika.
Normal, big, small peanut one.
Small or medium? Small or medium?
Medium, sir, medium.
Small or medium, you can tell like, Emma, you are daughter of a farmer. You don't know how long it takes for peanut to grow.
Sir, he didn't say anything for me, sir.
He will not tell you. You should go and get to know it. I know they will not allow girls to come out of the house. They will not allow you to go to the field also. If just you go out to field one day and talk to some of the women working there, they will tell you everything. You go and talk to
Okay,
her
sir.
and find out, என்னம்மா இது எப்படிமா வளர்க்கணும், இந்த கடலை போடுறது எப்படிமா போடணும், எப்படி விதைக்கணும், அதுக்கு என்னென்ன வியாதியெல்லாம் வரும், அதுக்கு எவ்வளவு தண்ணி ஊற்றணும் அப்படின்னு you can ask her, You ask your mummy, she
One
will
day,
tell.
yes, mummy knows. One day I asked my father, sir. He told, you go and study. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு.
No, that is
எனக்கு இது தேவையில்லாத வேலை, நீ போய் படி அப்படி சொன்ன உடனே நானும் ஓகே சொல்லிட்டு.
அப்ப நீ என்ன பண்ணிருக்கணும், அட்லீஸ்ட் என்ன மாதிரி இந்த கூகுள்ல வந்து சர்ச் பண்ணி படிச்சிருக்கணும். இல்லைன்னா ஹரிதா மாதிரி அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் கிராஜுவேட் கிட்ட ஃப்ரெண்ட் படிச்சுக்கிட்டு ஹரிதாக்கா டவுட் இருக்குது சொல்லுங்கன்னு சொல்லி கேட்கணும்.
எஸ் சார், நான் ஓகே சார்.
வெரி குட்,
கேக்குறேன் சார்.
வெரி குட். How do
நெக்ஸ்ட்
you
மார்க்ல
think?
நான் கரெக்ட்டா பண்ணிறேன் சார்.
சரி. What are the responsibilities of a bank clerk?
Responsibility of our bank clerk,
Duties and responsibility.
Okay, sir. In my duty of our clerk is, I am a first providing financial solution to customer, and also we need to have very good communication ability, and we listen to the need of the customer and analysis it properly, so that we will able to provide a right services to customer, and we must be flexible to understand the importance of the things and proper management, sir, is required for the clerk.
Good. Are there any of your friends appearing for this Federal Bank exam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
from your own college?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Are they
Institute, sir.
Acha, acha. Have they also joined our class? No.
Yes, sir. Jayprabha.
Oh, I know. That's a good girl. Yeah.
Uh,
She has also
yes,
joined.
sir.
Yeah, very good. Teni, who is the MP of your place?
Yes, sir. O.P. Ravindranath Kumar.
Now he is belonging to which party?
Anna Dravida Munnetra Kalagam.
What is the news about Anna Dravida Munnetra Kalagam?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Don't know சொன்னாக்க எப்படி வேலை கொடுப்போம்? Anna Dravida Munnetra Kalagam, there is a lot of news that they are severing connections with our BJP. அதை பத்தி படிக்கலையா?
No, sir. No, sir.
I see Edapadi Panichami has said they are cutting connections with the BJP. Now it seems BJP is trying to talk to O Pannirselvam.
Yes, sir. O Pannirselvam.
Yeah, paravailla. Now please tell me who is MS Swaminathan?
Is a father. Is a mathematics and sir.
MS Swaminathan, mathematics.
MS Swami. Sir. MS Swaminathan. I don't know.
நீ யார பத்தி சொல்ற? நீ கும்பகோணம் ராமானுஜனை பத்தி சொல்றியா?
Yes, sir. Srinivasa Ramanujam.
Srinivasa Ramanujan. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is Ramanujan number?
1729, sir.
Very good. Excellent. So I want to borrow from you. Okay. Imagine you have got 5 lakhs with you.
Okay, sir.
I am going to borrow money from you.
Okay,
So
sir.
it will be economical for me when I borrow from you, say on simple interest or compound interest.
You borrowed means sir, right. Year by year, say vary. Simple interest.
ஏன் சின்ன கொஸ்டின் ஏன் சரியா சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிற? சிம்பிள் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தான் ஆன்சர்.
Simple interest.
What is a simple interest formula?
PNR by 100, sir.
I is equal to PNR by 100.
Interest is equal to PNR.
What is the formula for compound interest?
Compound interest principal into 1 plus R by 100 whole square, sir.
Whole square.
Minus P.
No.
Whole power N.
What is the amount we will get? We will get interest or what?
Sir, amount principal plus interest, sir.
Very good. We will get amount. Good. You told correctly. So which subject in mathematics you like very much? Calculus, trigonometry, arithmetic. Which one do you like very much?
I like algebra, sir. But
Acha? Algebra.
Yes, sir.
What is A plus B into B plus C?
Into B. AB plus.
நானே கேட்டுட்டேன், எனக்கு என்னன்னே தெரியல. சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம்.
சார் அப்படி ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. Don't know, sir.
ஒண்ணும் இல்லம்மா, AB plus B square plus AC plus BC.
Okay.
That's all, simply addition. I am not, what is x plus y into x minus y?
X square plus X square minus Y square, sir.
Very good. Supposing I want you to find out 98 square, how you can find it easily?
98 square, 9 square, 81. In my way, sir, 9 square, 81, and 8 square, 64. After 9 into 8, 72.
Hmm.
84. After 9 under 72 into 2. After I adding the whole all the number.
Correct. Find out, please find out and tell me. Have your paper with you.
Okay, yes, sir. 964
96.
4004.
Good. எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்ச?
Sir, 9 square, first 9 square வந்து multiple பண்ணிட்டேன் sir. 81. After 8 square was 64, sir. 91, 81, 64. After 9 into 8, 72. And after into 2, sir. 72 into 2
பட் இப்படி போட முடியாதா? 100 minus 2 whole square.
is போடலாம் sir. But I am not practiced this that way, sir.
That
I
is
only
okay.
practice this one.
Very good. Very good. Very good. How will you use your mathematics knowledge in banking?
In my mathematics knowledge, I am for the develop.
சரி, பரவாயில்ல. What is the movie you saw recently?
Recently, I saw a Jailer movie, sir.
Good. Who are the important heroes in that movie?
Rajinikanth, sir, superstar.
Then?
After three heroes, sir.
See, many other heroes are there, na? Mohanlal
Yes, sir.
and others
Mohanlal.
also. Yeah, every language
Sir,
they have their own. I don't know, but just தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது better. Are you a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
I like most non-vegetarian, sir.
What is the news about Muttai Koli?
Muttai Koli.
What is the news about Muttai Koli?
No, sir, I'm not aware.
முட்டை கோழி கிலோவுக்கு ரூபாய் 9 உயர்வு.
Okay.
Yeah, current news. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Maniga Patra. Maniga Patra. This name is associated with which games?
Manika Patra.
டேபிள் டென்னிஸ். எனக்கும் தெரியாது. நான் இப்ப திறந்து பார்த்த அப்புறம் தெரிஞ்சது. ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரியுதா?
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்.
ஆமா, நியூஸ் எல்லாம் படிக்கணும். கரண்ட் நியூஸ் எல்லாம் படிச்சுக்கிட்டு போகணும்.
ஓகே சார்.
ஃபெடரல் பேங்க் சேவிங்ஸ் அக்கவுண்ட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ரேட் எவ்வளவு?
32.86 சார். காசா ரேஷியோ.
நான் என்ன கேட்டேன்? What did I ask you? What is the rate of interest on savings bank account in Federal Bank? 3.05 up to 5 lakhs. Above 5 lakhs, 3.10. Don't you know this? Alim Pakle, Padikaliya, go through the website of Federal Bank, get to know the interest rate for deposit, interest rate for advances, various deposit schemes, various advances. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
இன்னும் நல்லா பண்ணணும். பண்ணினது போதாது. போதாது. உனக்கு சாட்டிஸ்பாக்சன் இருக்காமா?
நோ சார், நோ சார். நோ சார்.
ஏன் ரொம்ப பயப்படுறியம்மா? இப்படி பயப்பட்டா எப்படி வேலைக்கு போறது சொல்லு?